Hi everyone, how are you all doing? This is Pravindra from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use WordPress to create your affiliate page. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we proceed further, if you want to hear more content like this from us, please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button if you like this video, and the bell notification so that we can keep producing good content for you. So are you ready? Let's get started. Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use WordPress to build your affiliate page. Most of you have surely heard about WordPress, right? WordPress is one of the most popular CRM there is to host your website, to build your website and everything. It's so great, it's so popular that I think I've seen a statistic showing like 90% of people actually use WordPress as their CRM and to build their pages and everything. But then why we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use WordPress, because we are being very specific that you should not use WordPress for your affiliate page, not for your website. You can go ahead and build your website, whole website using WordPress for other functions, but if you're creating an affiliate page, WordPress will not be an ideal choice. Why? That's what we're going to look. So the first reason why is because WordPress can be a little bit expensive. So WordPress comes with the hosting plan. Unless I know a guy who actually can do this WordPress, he can upload it for free. I don't know how he does that, but then usually WordPress come with a hosting plan. So the more volume you try to do, so the more scalable your ad is, the more you scale your ads, the more volume increase, the WordPress capacity must be increased as well. If not, it will get crashed. So the WordPress capacity is increased according to the plan, according to the hosting plan, and this can be a little bit expensive. Trust me, it can be even expensive than paying a monthly fee for like for other landing page builder, guys. So this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't use WordPress. The second reason would be compatibility problems with WordPress. If you are familiar with WordPress, WordPress is everything regarding plugins. So in WordPress, if you want to make things better, you put plugin. If you want to make things easy, you put more plugin. And the more plugin you use, the more likely it is for you to actually encounter compatibility problem. Compatibility problem, what I mean by this is some of the plugins will not be working with the WordPress version that you use. You need to constantly upgrade that. You need to constantly upgrade the plugin regardless of how many times you upgrade. Sometimes the thing would be still the same, it will still not work, and all this compatibility problem would be faced if you're using a lot of plugins. And trust me, if you're trying to build a landing page builder or you're trying to build an affiliate page using WordPress, plugin is something that you have to use. So third reason why we should not use WordPress is because if you want to customize WordPress beyond the normal basic stuff, you want to do it much more nicer, much more specifically for affiliate page, for example, the customization need coding. I don't know whether many of you know coding or not. I myself, I don't know coding. I've been using WordPress for quite some time. I've never customized WordPress with coding, but I've actually gave somebody to actually do a coding for my website, which is WordPress site. So when he does the coding, the whole website change. It looks very likely like how I wanted it to be. So because WordPress is actually open source, so you can actually go ahead and change it, but then you need to know coding. If you don't know coding, if you don't have the tech background of coding, then forget about customizing your affiliate page if you're using WordPress. This is one of the reasons why I don't like WordPress, guys. But if you can customize it, trust me, you can change every single detail and make your affiliate page look exactly like how you want it to be. It's that cool, guys, using WordPress. So the fourth reason, I think, is the fourth reason why you should not use a WordPress is because of the vulnerability, or should I say, be scared of hackers. What I mean by this is because WordPress is actually an open source platform, like I told you just now itself, right? So with WordPress, you can actually attract a lot of bots, a lot of phishing, a lot of hackers, because the security is not so secure because it's open source. Anybody who's smart enough to get in can just get in just like that, guys. So I don't know, I always think that I'm not the smartest person in the world. There's always people smarter than me. So if he wants to get in into my WordPress site, he can get in into my WordPress site very easily. And that is what I meant by vulnerability, and that's one of the reasons that why I don't prefer using WordPress for my affiliate page, because it involves money, right? We are paying for ads, right? So if somebody can hack through that, you will be spending a lot of money. You'll be losing a lot of money as well. And the fourth reason why we should not, fifth reason, sorry, the fifth reason why we should not use WordPress for our affiliate page is because of the speed. Okay, why WordPress? Initially, WordPress won't be that slow, guys. Trust me. Initially, WordPress will not be that slow. But for WordPress, you need to put themes, you need to put plugins, you need to put images, you need to put fonts, different fonts and everything. And all these things will actually decrease, what I say, decrease the speed of the site. And if you think I don't want to do any of this, you can't do that, because if you don't do any of this, your WordPress will look horrible. And if you want to be very specific, create an affiliate page, trust me, you will be needing a proper team, you will be needing a proper plugin, you will be needing a proper image. If not, your affiliate page can go ahead and do nothing, because it will not work at all, and this will reduce the speed tremendously. I've seen WordPress loading very slow, and that's very bad. So the final reason why you should not use WordPress is that WordPress itself does not have a built-in drag and drop website builder. Like I told you, to customize WordPress without a drag and drop builder is a little bit hard. I mean, there is a way to do it. There's like a little bit normal customization that you can do. If you want to customize further, you need to do coding. There is WordPress drag and drop builders, guys. There's like, I think Elementor is that, Divi is that. There's few more as well that you can actually use. It's a plugin. But remember, when I talk about plugin just now, the compatibility problem will occur when you do plugins. Your speed will reduce when you do plugins. Your customization, even though you have plugin, is still not going to be super customized. But basically, within WordPress itself, they do not have a built-in drag and drop website builder, which would be a very big pain in the ass for the beginner affiliate marketer in general. So saying that, what should a beginner affiliate marketer or a seasoned affiliate marketer use if they can't use WordPress to build their affiliate page? They can definitely use a brand new software which was just launched, called the Landerize, guys. I've actually attached the link to Landerize in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check it out if you want to. Definitely go ahead and check it out, guys. It's really worth it. And the thing about Landerize is, what I like about Landerize is that it's super fast. Why it's super fast is that once you created a landing page, you can actually upload it in Amazon S3, which makes it super fast loading, guys. And super fast loading will definitely increase your click-through rate as well as your conversion rate, guys. And then you can actually integrate Landerize with external trackers like volume, bnom, rate track, and all these kind of stuff. As well as one more thing is that you can still use the drag and drop features. Landerize do offer the very easy to use drag and drop features with more than 50 templates. They just launched, guys. So I think they're going to increase it. Definitely they will be increasing it. If not, it's very bad. So they have 50 templates right now. They will be increasing very soon. Like I told you, if you go and check out the link in the description of this video and you press Landerize, you go into Landerize, you start building your website, you can actually build your affiliate page within minutes. It took me less less than 3 minutes to 4 minutes, somewhere around there, to build my landing page. But if you're a beginner, I would say 10 minutes you can actually create a really highly optimized landing page there. So they really live up to their word. But the main reason why I love Landerize is because it was built specifically for affiliate pages, guys. It was built specifically to cater affiliate marketers. If you are an affiliate marketer, you've been using a lot of page builder, you would definitely experience this scenario where you go ahead and when you're using this page builder, you'll feel, hey, why they don't think from my angle, why they don't think the issues faced by affiliate marketers. But you will not feel that thing with Landerize, because Landerize was built by an affiliate for affiliates, guys. So that particular person did exactly, he felt our problems as an affiliate marketer and created this exactly for to cater us, and that's what I like it a lot. You can definitely go ahead and check it, guys. Like I told you before, the link is in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it. You will not regret it at all. That's about it in today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching today's video. Before I leave, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and also the like button if you like this video, definitely, so that we can actually keep creating good content for you, and so that you don't miss our upcoming contents as well. I'll be seeing you in the next one, and bye bye, guys.